Hello and welcome. With ContractHero, you always have a clear overview of all your company's contracts. My name is Lina, and in this video, I'll show you how to always find exactly the contract you need. Using the search, filters, and custom views, you can sort the contract overview by term, supplier, cost, company, or other individual requirements. You can find the contract overview here on the left. If I'm looking for specific information, I can see the search bar right up here. Here, for example, I can search for a specific value such as Commerzbank. As soon as I start typing, the relevant contracts are displayed here. This list search is a search across all the fields that are shown here in the contract list. However, if I don't have a complete overview of the fields and lists, and I just want to search for a specific contract and look through the document, then I click here on text and can, for example, simply search for a keyword such as a name. And that way I could then click into this contract here accordingly. The word I search for is also displayed to me directly, highlighted in yellow, and I can immediately say, that's not the one. And then I could click through accordingly and say, oh, that's the contract I was looking for. And here I can continue working. At the same time, this contract list serves as a kind of interactive Excel list. In other words, every time I add a contract, it is added to this list, and I always automatically see the information that is entered here. For example, if I now want to see all contracts that end or expire in the next 3 months, I could open the column on the right here and say, I need contract duration. As soon as the checkbox is ticked, I also see this information as a column. This way, I can make use of various pieces of information and create an overview that is relevant to me. Here, I can also say that I want everything sorted, either ascending or descending, but I could also say that I only need service provider contracts, and in this way, create a view across multiple columns. If I now say, oh, I don't just need this view once today, but I want to look at it regularly, then I can use this little field here and say that I want to save this change, or rather save my new view. Here I can give it a name, but I can also, if necessary, access views that have been shared with me, if other people have shared views with me, or I can create different views just for myself. Of course, I can reset these filters at any time or revert to the default view. Contract data is only truly valuable if you can get an answer within seconds. You shouldn't have to wait hours or days for someone else to respond. That's exactly what the contract overview in ContractHero provides. If you want to use this in your company, book a demo using the link in the description. Thank you very much for listening.